Have you guys ever seen a bird eating barbecue sauce? Oh, they love the barbecue sauce. Look at this. The crows. And he's really close to my car too. They were eating the barbecue sauce. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Let's see if they eat some more of it. That's McDonald's barbecue sauce.
Mom, I'm getting all my ketchup.
Eating barbecue sauce. I didn't even know they could do that. I didn't even know they like doing that. I mean, crows eating barbecue sauce. That's a new one. It's gotta be something new they doing. I already gave them a couple of McDonald fries. They really like this barbecue sauce. No, give it back to him.
Did a pickle turn like a heart? Don't let Melon, don't let
What in the hell? That's too funny. Ooh. You trying to get the fry that my daughter just threw.
Yeah, just do that, and then you just eat it. Melon! And then that bird eat that. Did he eat that pickle? Mom, did the bird eat the pickle?
Oh, they're eating. They love McDonald's, these birds.
Yeah.
And barbecue
And I
sauce.
guess Melon some more, and the bird will eat it.
No more. Eat your food.
Did the bird eat that again? I know that bird is hungry.
Oh my goodness, these birds are hungry. What's going on?
He's being so hungry. Because Melon wants to feed a pickle to her.
They love chicken nuggets. That one flew.
Aww.
Ooh, no, you just called all the crows here. We good. No. That's too funny. No more. Even the white bird came over. That is hilarious. They're starving around here and I don't got food. Sorry. Ooh, they fighting now over the chicken nugget. Look at who got the chicken nugget. Look who got the chicken. Oh shit. They fighting.